Dear students and friends, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching NPTEL Chemistry E-class and I am your chemistry detective to solve chemistry class 11th NCERT problem 1.30. So our problem is what will be the mass of one carbon 12 atom in grams. This problem, before solving this problem, I will take you to very fundamental concept which we call relative atomic mass. Your teacher might have told you in class that if I will make you understand by means of example, by an example, your teacher might have told you that relative atomic mass of one atom of sodium is 12 units. I mean, on atomic mass unit scale, mass of one atom of sodium is 12 units, and it conveys, fundamentally it conveys us the information, very important information, that one atom of sodium is 23 times heavier than 12th part of carbon atom. Similarly, mass of one atom of carbon on a mu scale, atomic mass unit scale, is 12 units. Relative atomic mass of carbon is 12 units. But this very problem is not based on the concept of relative atomic mass. It is based on concept of gram atomic mass of an element. And according to concept of gram atomic mass, gram atomic mass if an element is atomic, if an element is atomic, if ultimate existing particle of an element is atom, then in chemistry we say gram atomic mass of this element, gram atomic mass of element gram atomic mass, I can write like this to save some space. Gram atomic mass of element is actually the mass of 6.022 into 10 raised power 23 atoms of element of that element. If element is atomic, gram atomic mass of such an element is the mass of 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of this element. Hence, gram atomic mass of element represents its molar mass, its mass of 1 mole. Now, if I may apply this concept on element carbon, because here element is specified carbon, I may write gram atomic mass of carbon, and which isotope of carbon? Carbon 12 is equal to, I know gram atomic mass of carbon 12. Magnitude of gram atomic mass of element is similar to its relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass of carbon is 12, its gram atomic mass is also 12, but expressed in grams, 12 grams. And 12 grams of carbon, since gram atomic mass of element contains 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of that element. Likewise, for carbon 12, I will say that gram atomic mass of 12 will contain its 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms, carbon atoms. Gram atomic mass of carbon is 12 grams, and 12 grams of carbon contain how many carbon atoms? 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. This information is fixed for this element carbon. This information will apply only for carbon. It will stand only for carbon. It stands only for carbon. It represents only carbon, that its gram atomic mass is 12 gram and its 12 grams will contain 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 carbon atoms. I will use this information to solve this problem applying unitary method. I will say 6 from above information, I can write 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 carbon atoms weigh how much grams? Weigh 12 grams. One carbon atom will weigh 12 divided by 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 in grams. One carbon atom has mass, or I can say weighs, one carbon atom has mass equal to 12 divided by 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23, and it will come equal to 2 into 10 raised to power minus 23 grams. But approximately it will come equal to 2 into 10 raised to power 23, because I neglected digits on right side of decimal 022, and if I take into consideration these digits after on right side of decimal, then exact value is equal to 1.9926 into 10 raised to power minus 23 grams. this is the mass, this is the actual mass of one atom of carbon in grams. So if anyone asks you what is the actual mass of one atom of carbon, you have to answer him 1.9926. You have to answer 1.9926 into 10 raised to power minus 23 grams, or else you can say 2 into 10 raised to power minus 23 grams approximately. We know that SI unit of mass is kg, kilogram, and if you need to answer, you need to give your answer in kgs, then you can write 1.9926 into 10 raised to power minus 26 kg, because you have to do conversion of gram into kilogram. This was for today. See you tomorrow with one new chemistry class 11th NCERT problem. Till then, take good care of yourself and enjoy heavy snowfall and extreme cold. Allah Hafiz.